Welcome back to another video, and in this video I will show you how to increase image opacity and how to decrease it. So here you can see I have two tabs open here. So one for the HTML, so I will save it. Let's say image opacity .html, and the CSS I will add image opacity style .css. Here I will say HTML, and let's say in the body I will say body margin 0 pixel and padding also 0. And now I want to access this CSS here, so I will say link here, and href I will write here image opacity style .css. Now I have access of this CSS class here, I mean CSS file here. Okay, so in the body section let me just add two images. So I will add image, and I have some images actually downloaded in the image folder. Here you can see. So let's say I want to add this a image, or let me just add three images, all the three images, right? So I will add a div first, and inside the div I will keep all of them. So here inside the div I will paste it, and let's do it for the all the three images. And first image name is a dot extension is jpj, and b dot jpg, and then c dot jpg. Okay, so let's do some CSS for the div, and here I will say that the div should be flex. So I will say here display flex, and then I will say justify content center and flex wrap should be wrap. So okay, we are done. Now let's set the image size here. I will say width 100%. Oops, so we have to give here colon, and done. Now if I go to the browser, open in browser, and here you can see we have three images, but the problem is we didn't give the folder name, so we have to add here image slash, okay, because this is our folder name, right? Let me show you. If I go to the folder HTML and CSS, and here you can see I have a folder, there is image, so we have to give the path also image. So let's add here image slash, okay, so I will add it in there also. And if I go to the browser, sorry, now you can see all the image in 100%. In the image, let's say 150 pixel or maybe 300 pixel, and refresh, and you can see we have three images. So let's say I want to set the opacity. So this is the image. Now if you want to change the opacity, you just have to set here opacity, and let's say 0.3, and if I go to the browser and refresh, and here you can see our image opacity is decreased. Now let's say I want to increase the opacity, so I will add here a hover effect, and here I will say hover, and let's say we want to increase the opacity to 1. So if I refresh it, now if I hover, then you can see we have the full opacity. So this is the way you can increase and decrease the opacity of your image. So that's it. Thanks for watching this video. See you in the next video. Till then, goodbye.